Passage was one of the early contenders in the minimal hybrid section, beating a large portion of its rivals to showcase when it propelled the Escape in 2000 as a 2001 model. The organization has been missing from the subcompact-hybrid diversion in America, be that as it may, an oversight felt all the more definitely by the day as small utes surge in fame. Luckily for Ford, it has of now had such a vehicle in its worldwide quiver as the Ecosport, which has been marked down somewhere else for quite a while and is being refreshed all around for 2018. Underscoring its significance to the American lineup, Ford picked a U.S. city, Los Angeles, as the site of the re-examined model's legitimate worldwide introduction. The Ecosport will be offered with two powertrains, a 1.0-liter turbocharged EcoBoost inline-3 motor combined with front-wheel drive and a normally suctioned 2.0-liter four-chamber with all-wheel drive. Both powertrains include a 6-speed programmed transmission. Neither one of the engines has been mated to this transmission previously, so Ford isn't prepared to report last yield figures until nearer to dispatch. However, you can likely expect something close to 120 pole and 125 pounds-to-foot of torque for the 1.0-liter model and 140 stallions and 140 pounds-to-foot for 2.0-liter renditions.